This is a product demonstration for the Signgeer Plastic Eyelet Machine. It's very simple to use. So it takes your standard plastic eyelets. All you need to do is you insert the top larger part of the eyelet into the top of the machine and then drop in the lower part, like so. Take your banner material that you want to punch an eyelet through, hold it on the inside, push down until it grips, lift it out, and there we go. There's your eyelet banner. It's also possible to eyelet a hemmed banner using the Signgeer Eyelet Machine. Here's a piece that we did earlier using the Signgeer hemming tape. It's very simple. You apply the hemming tape to the inside, you apply it with the roller, peel the label off, stick it back on, and then I'll give you a demonstration now of how to do it with this one. It's exactly the same. For this one we use some black eyelets. The eyelets themselves are available in clear, black and white. So again, it's very simple. Piece the top piece in, drop in the bottom piece. Apply a little bit more pressure as we're going through 2 layers. Make sure it goes all the way down. Pull it off. And there you go. There's your eyelet hemmed banner.